a mi modo de ver. A mi modo de ver. So this is a longer phrase. A mi modo de ver. And this is a great phrase if you want to say the way I see it. Okay, the way I see it, ... A mi modo de ver. It's not a literal translation, but it's very similar to saying the way I see it. A mi modo de ver. A mi modo de ver. Very similar. It's very similar to that phrase. Okay. Now, for example, I can say, a mi modo de ver, el departamento está demasiado caro para lo que es. A mi modo de ver, el departamento está demasiado caro para lo que es. So what does this mean? This means the way I see it, the apartment is too expensive for what it is. Okay, it happens. It happens definitely nowadays. Man, apartments, houses are super expensive, and yeah, it makes sense. A mi modo de ver, we have the expression here, the way I see it. El departamento. El departamento. It's very similar. Departamento, apartment. Some people in Spanish call departamento apartamento. Okay, so it's very similar to the English word apartment. Apartamento. So like that. El apartamento. Okay, some Spanish speakers say that. Some others say el departamento. I say el departamento more than apartamento. So el departamento. Sorry, I got confused there for a second. Just let me do this. El departamento, the apartment, is demasiado. Demasiado means too, okay? When it's too, and then you add an adjective, in this situation, caro, demasiado caro, too expensive. And demasiado can be also feminine and plural as well. Feminine and plural, masculine and plural. Demasiados, demasiadas, and the singular is demasiado, demasiada, okay? So we're saying demasiado because we're talking about the apartment, and departamento is masculine. So that's why we have demasiado. Caro can also be feminine, cara, okay? In plural, caros, caras. And once again, we're saying caro because we're talking about a masculine noun, el departamento, okay? Caro means expensive. Para, for, lo que es, what it is. Lo means it, so lo here means it. Que means what. Es, is. Okay? So that is the translation and the meaning of this long sentence. Once again, a mi modo de ver, el departamento está demasiado caro para lo que es. The way I see it, the apartment is too expensive for what it is. So it's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. No, I'm not talking about that. It's like maybe the apartment is too small. You know, it's in in an ugly area or something like that. So, and maybe it's expensive. You know, it happens for sure. Now let's look at the next example. There you go. Hang on. Okay, the next example is: no sé por qué está tan enojada. No sé por qué está tan enojada. A mi modo de ver, no hice nada malo. Wow, that's another long sentence. So this is a more advanced Spanish. Even the first one, it's a bit advanced, you know. The second one too. So if you use a mi modo de ver, it's a very good Spanish expression that will make you sound very fluent in Spanish. So this is a good expression to add to your vocabulary. So let's break this down. Rather, let's see the meaning of this. No sé por qué está tan enojada. A mi modo de ver, no hice nada malo. Okay? So this means I don't know why. It's not what, but why. Sorry about that. I don't know why she's so mad about, or what. No sé por qué está. No. Sorry. I don't know why she's so mad or angry. Okay, about something, maybe. I don't know. The way I see it, I did nothing wrong. Oh man, it happens. Sometimes you don't understand why the person is angry or got angry, you know, or you can hear this from someone, so it happens. It's another common thing that happens. No sé means I don't know. Just that. I don't know. You can use it by itself. You can just say no sé, I don't know. Or you can add more to that little expression. And we're adding more, of course. ¿Por qué? Why? ¿Por qué is 2 words and it has an accent mark on the letter E. Ella está. We don't need ella, okay? But it means she is. Ella está. She is. Tan means so. Okay, just like we this is another way to say so or to. Okay, so in this situation, tan means so. Enojada means mad, angry, and it's feminine because we're talking about she. Enojada, mad. A mi modo de ver, so we have here the expression, the way I see it. Okay. No hice nada malo. No hice, yo no hice, I did. I mean, literally, it means I didn't do. Okay, no hice. But when you add nada right after, then it's more correct to say in English, I did nothing. But essentially, you're saying I didn't do nothing in Spanish. But yeah, that's how it works in Spanish. Malo means bad, means evil, means wrong as well. So just remember that. Okay, so no hice nada malo means I did nothing wrong. So that is another thing to say, common to say in Spanish. No hice nada malo, I didn't do anything wrong, or I did nothing wrong. Okay, excellent. Remember, a mi modo de ver means the way I see it. The way I see it. A mi modo de ver. Okay? So it's a very common expression, and it's a good one as well when you want to express your opinion.